What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Kart Smart TV. So we're going to do something a little different for you guys. It will be golf cart related though. We're going to do a comparison video between the Axis EV golf cart and an actual club car Precedent. To show you guys the difference and what we think is a great potential in a golf cart compared to the top three. I mean, because we here at our shop, we are strictly believing in the top three brands: Club Car, E-Z-GO, and Yamaha. You know, we see them daily. We know what they're capable of. We know what to do with them when they're broke. We don't see these very often, and when you do, it's not in a repair shop. Well, the Axis already comes with a very good steering wheel. It comes already street legal. Okay, it comes with a speedometer and hour meter already assembled on it. Comes with a battery meter already assembled to it. Also charge ports for your phones, anything, radios, what have you. Okay, it has LED lights already in it. Very nice setup here. Pretty good. Has a completely different structured top support with the top. If you actually look back, I'm going to step back a little bit, it's actually quite a bit more room in this area here. The top stands just a smidge taller. You can see here. Alright, let's step back and look at the Precedent. You can see it's not quite as much before it turns and goes here. So you have a little more forward, just a little more forward room there. Okay, the Precedent does not come with a light kit. They have to be installed on it. It does not have the charge ports, nor a battery meter or a runtime meter. And most everything that you see on this Precedent will have to be bought and put on. Compared to you going to the Axis, it comes with your wheels. It comes with a brush guard. It will come with the back seat kit. The seats on the Axis are very, very comfortable, very sporty. The top of where the roof lays on is structured quite a bit more soundly, and you probably can use any kind of accessory speakers, anything. So as we said, it's got AGM, auto glass mat batteries. They are not serviceable. You do not have to put water in them. You keep them charged, and these golf carts come with a smart charger as well that will have a maintain mode in it, so you are able to leave it plugged up constantly to maintain the full battery voltage. You don't get that with the Club Car. The Club Car comes with a factory charger that will cut off and stay off once it's charged. It does not maintain. Up under the roof, you only have your rear strut that holds the top up and your front strut that holds the top up. They also have the LED system for the lights in the rear as well, which so does the Club Car when you install the lights. They are all LED. Okay, so the frame on a Precedent, so you can get right down in there. You can see the frame right there. Runs up all the way back, and it goes from the rear bumper all the way to the front bumper, aluminum. Well, so does the Axis, which is a really, really, really good thing. We're going to do the same thing we did. If I can get up under here and we see it good. Okay, so you see right here, there's in front of the tire is what I can see of the frame. Well, it is aluminum from the back bumper all the way to the front bumper. Now we're going to move on to the electronics in this thing. Motor, controller, solenoid. Well, we go back here to our access panel. I've already got it off. And so they have put the advanced motor in this golf cart. And you can see all the specs there. They are using a club car designed solenoid and the Curtis model controller in here, which is pretty daggone awesome, and it makes me happy to see. Also comes with a built-in voltage reducer for any of the accessories that are on here, and then it has a the same pedal group as the Precedent does as well. It uses a full pedal assembly, both brake and gas, and it uses basically an M core, just like the Precedents do when it comes to your throttle sensor. You can get right here and see your pedals. You can see the brake rod that comes back to your cable connection here, which is standard on the Precedent as well. This is exactly the way it looks on the Precedent. But then here is our M core, but there's nowhere for the wires to go. I don't like that at all because they're just hanging down. And yes, I'm sure that you could probably come up in here and drill you a small hole, bring that up and zip tie that up like that. That alleviates that problem, but still, this is the way it came factory. The guy has never done anything to this golf cart. In the Precedent, this is all covered. There's no moisture able to get inside of here. And so let's give the Precedent a little bit more love here. We get the brush guard that you have to purchase and put on. The wheels and tires that you have to purchase and put on. The lift kit itself, it's all the way across, you have to purchase and put on. I'll bring you to where we were talking about the M core, because you can see here that they have pretty much the same pedal assembly and group that goes from one cart to the other. Okay, so under the golf cart there you can see your pedal rod coming out, your brake pedal rod coming out from over there, but the box is completely covered. There's no openings for anything to get into, such as salt, moisture, anything like that. Aha. Okay, so this Precedent will have the 4 lead acid type batteries in them, as compared to the Axis having 4 AGM type 12 volt batteries in them. A Curtis controller, and also a matching advanced motor as well. But the Precedent is more regulated in the controller, so it does not go nowhere near as fast as the Axis does. The Axis, I do believe once we get the throttle fixed on this Axis, it can run 35 miles an hour all day long. Club car is only going to run about 20, 25 tops, unless you do upgrades. The seats on this particular Precedent here are original seats that came with the golf cart. They're not too bad. They look good. They're a little hard in the back and on the bottom, but I mean, it's hard to say that that is not a great price for a golf cart that is nearly replicated from the Precedent. Alright guys, that's going to do it for our comparison video. Just so y'all know, we still are very, very firm believers in the club car Precedent. The Axis is certainly repairable with certain club car parts as well. We're going to have a repair video that's going to follow this up so that you guys can see what we did to get this cart fixed again. And hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for any new videos releasing soon, guys. As always, thank you for watching.